Hello everyone, I hope everyone's having a beautiful day. I'm Shauna. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please like and subscribe so you're notified the next time I do a Bath and Body Works haul. And I made another trip to the store and I have some candles, some body care. I finally got some coupons. Yay! Because I love coupons. And I also got some new fragrances here. So without further ado, I picked up a strawberry pound cake candle, and their candles the other day were $10 off for the 3-wick candles. So this is this very beautiful pink color, and I will be doing an in-depth review of this. I have smelled it before, but I've never warmed the 3-wick, so I will keep you guys posted on that. Next, I picked up a raspberry mimosa, and it's this really beautiful mauve colored wax. Very fruity. You definitely get a lot of the raspberry, and I'm hoping that when I burn this that more of the mimosa comes out. I mean, I can smell it slightly. We'll see. And then I picked up a champagne toast, and I love this one. I love it in the body care. Never tried the candle because I'm a Scentsy consultant, so I'm into more of like clean home fragrance with warmers and non-toxic wax melts. I don't really like to do all of the soot and all of that, but lately I've just been really wanting candles, and you know, Bath and Body Works has had so many delicious candles coming out. I'm like, yes, give them to me. So I picked up another clearance item, warm vanilla sugar. This one was actually 75% off, and this is warm, sugary vanilla. Love that. And I picked up 2 more sugared cherry crisp because I love this. This is from the new fall collection, and it's delicious, sweet cherry pie with the crust and like a bakery cinnamon note. I love that. And then they surprised me. They had this new fragrance, strawberry, and all I have here is the fragrance mist because they didn't have the lotion. I think they had a scrub and a shower gel, but I really want a body cream or lotion, so I'm going to go back and see if they have that. But this is fresh strawberries. I mean, this genuinely smells like fresh strawberries. So after I get some more of, like, once I get a lotion or a body cream, I'll definitely do an in-depth review of that. So if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and leave your comments and let me know what you've been trying and loving, and just let me know that you stopped by. I love to hear from you guys. And as always, I pray that you and your families are safe and well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.